Like a lot of people at the moment, we're starting our garden project in prep for use for this summer. Fingers crossed. We're also working on our driveway and front garden, which we've been doing for a while now, summoning all the help we can get. To be specific, this is our 3rd year, so let's get into where we're at with the outside areas so far. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to be working on the garden, the driveway and the front garden. I'm going to pick you up basically over the next couple of days just to show you all of the progress, which is really exciting. Also, as an FYI, I am going to be going for a haircut today, so if my hair looks different in the next couple of clips, that is why. We are actually just about to have a digger arrive, so I'm thinking if I show you everything first and then it's like a literal before and after by the end of this video. This week's been really good actually because we've cleared a load of rubbish and then we had a removals van called Clearer Bee and they just came and picked it all up for us. But the plan is we're actually going to move all of this rubble to the back left part of the garden because we just don't use it. This lovely palm is staying, this is staying. We've still obviously got bits that we need. This was quite a good barrier for here because the fence came down quite a while ago. And let me show you the driveway. We're getting rid of this scooter that's too heavy for me to push. So we're going to be taking out basically all of this. Well, I won't be, but yeah, James's dad's coming to help us with it. So I've just got home and the garden is an absolute chaos. Let me just show you. If you go back in time to the start of this video, there was a slab right here and my father-in-law has just gone to town, which to be honest, it needed it. I thought he was only going to move the rubble pile today. He is crazy. Our delivery arrived of type 1, which James's dad used to help widen our driveway and for us to use later on in the front garden. Plus we also ordered sharp sand for the back garden to be used at a later point. So wide. This is the sharp sand, but what's on the ground at the moment is type 1. It is type 1. So yeah, and then this will be good for the garden at the back. Oh look, little Indy in the window. It's too dangerous for her out here obviously, so she's all safe in there. So if I take you to the actual back of the garden, this is now what we're working with. It's a bit messy. Yeah, this is crazy how much rubble we've actually kept. We're having conversations and realising that maybe we've got a bit much, but it's going to cost money to have it taken away. And then also it's going to cost money to buy more of it. So we might as well keep hold of it for now. Oh, it's lovely spring day. It's been a couple of weeks now since I picked you guys back up, but James and I have a really good plan now of what we're going to do with this garden because it's a really lovely problem to have, but it's been slightly overwhelming with just how much space there is. So yeah, there's been a lot to consider and plan, as you can imagine. But what we've come up with, which I think's a great idea considering we've been here for almost 3 years now and not fully been able to enjoy this garden. So this year we're going to section and hyper focus on part of the garden. So I'm going to map out exactly where we're thinking. So basically in line with this shed and then probably out here. So yeah, all of this space. So you're probably thinking, what does that mean? What does working on it entail? So the ground isn't very level, so we're going to use the type 1 and basically just level it all out, get some topsoil and some grass, and we've got some special lighting as well that's going to go in. And I don't know, I kind of envisage it being a seating area with a few potted plants here and there, and I was hoping to maybe find a fire pit, but I feel like this is going to evolve as we start working on it. We are going to be filming that very soon, which is exciting. For now, we are going to head to the front garden and start work on our mini project, and just to make that look a little bit nicer. The plan for this border that's around the bay window in our guest bedroom is to dig all of it up. I've already found a membrane, so I'll get rid of all of this. There's loads of stuff growing in it, so I think dig it all up, put a type 1 down, and then we've actually already chosen the type of stone that we want to put on top. So we were looking at it over here yesterday, and it's called Cotswold Chippings. And we are going to have various pots and planters at the front there, but we just don't want anything actually growing within it. So yeah, so I think that is going to look really aesthetically pleasing. California meets the English coast. See that?
Oh yeah, hello. Where'd that come from?
Jesus. You don't want to go in there, mate. I'm trying to help you. Come on.
All aboard.
Even though, as you can see, it's not finished yet, but we've already started cleaning up and putting in place the plant pots that we do want to have displayed out the front here. But no, it's looking really good so far. I realise that it's been a bit of a mishmash of different levels of progress and things happening. So if you did get to the end, thank you so much for watching this week's video. Expect lots of garden content coming soon. And yeah, give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye guys!